Hello, welcome to this Microsoft Access 2013 tutorial to create a project review form. This is a short tutorial to show you how to create a form in Access for data entry to a database in a read-only file located in a shared location. This is an applied exercise using Microsoft Access 2015, and the exercise consists in creating a set of forms for collecting the information from project reviews. It means that the objective of this Access database is to allow a number of people or reviewers to use Access to save the information collected from project reviews or from interviews into datasets that can be used for later analysis. The particular examples used in this exercise are an abstraction from the actual portfolio review of the AEG's evaluation of the World Bank support to regional integration. However, the framework, tools, and procedures used in this tutorial can be used in many other similar projects. Nonetheless, I have to do a disclaimer, and that is the views and opinions expressed in this tutorial are those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of any agency, and none of the information displayed in this tutorial is confidential. So after this introduction, I will introduce the framework I will follow. So I just explained the purpose, and I'm going to explain the design of the project review form we're going to design. So it's mainly this project navigation form where people are going to select the project that they want to work with, and after clicking that particular record, a data entry form is going to be displayed. That data entry form is going to have two parts: a project level subform bringing information from a portfolio table, and also saving information at the project level in an additional project information table that we're going to create. That information is going to be linked one-to-one to a project table. It means that there will be only one record per project in these data sets. The second part of these data entry forms is going to be a lower level subform. It means that each project is going to contain a number of lower level identifiers. In this case could be, for example, project components. So a project can have more than one component, or a project can have more than one development objective. So that information is going to be saved at the component level or objective level, and that information is going to be saved in this data set. So since one project can have more than one component, the project ID is going to be reviewed. It's going to be repeated more than one time in this lower level information table. So it means that the link between these two tables is going to be one to many, meaning that a project can appear more than once in this data set. Finally, for drop-down menus and other kinds of buttons and boxes that we are going to see in these tables, in these forms, the information is going to come from specific lists. For example, reviewers will be able to select their own name from a reviewers list, or the review status of a project review is going to be selected from the review status list. For example, the review is completed, the review is ongoing, or is not completed yet. So this is the design, and after that we're going to implement this design in Access. So please join me in the next video. Thank you.